This is Indy Nation News, covering the stuff that matters, usually. Sports, vending machines, the arts, and other stuff too. From Indy Nation World News Headquarters, right across the hall from the wood shop, Indy Nation News starts now.
Good morning, Indy Nation. I'm Audrey Bredner, and this is Indy Nation News.
And I'm Timmy Swearingen. Here's what you need to know as you start your day.
The art department wants to celebrate all the talent and hard work that our seniors put into painting their parking spots. Use the QR code to scan an image and your painted space to win cool stuff.
If you are interested in running for the Freshman Class Council and representing the class of 2029, please submit a Class Council application no later than Monday, September 8th. Applications can be found on your class's Schoology page. If you have any questions, please see Mr. McDonald.
Red, White, and Brew. Your Indy coffee shop is gearing up for the new year. If you would like to volunteer, pick up an application on the coffee shop door and return it by Thursday.
Are you a junior or senior who loves the social sciences and being part of your greater community? Join the Rho Kappa Social Science Honor Society. We are accepting applications until September 5th. See Miss Kavanaugh in room 1402 or Miss Allen in room 1409. Our first meeting will be held September 24th at 4:30 p.m. in room 1402.
Do you like trivia? Do you like to compete? Then come out for the Indy Scholastic Bowl team. We will be having a meeting immediately after school on Tuesday, September 2nd to discuss the upcoming year. The meeting will take place in Dr. Miller's room, 1214. Hope to see you there.
That's all the time we have for this edition of Indy Nation News.
Have a great day, and we will see you right back here tomorrow.